Hi, honey. Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? You want to go to your room? Avery, there's no heat. You're okay? Good girl. You're a tough girl. Where are you going? Yeah, you gonna go into the kitchen? It's in the kitchen. What are you gonna get in here? What's wrong? I'm right here. Avery, you wanna go into your room? Let's go into your room. Will you take that slip into your room? Avery. Avery. Let's go into your room. Good girl. You're so busy. You're so busy. What's in the cupboard? Anything interesting? Just sponges. Nothing too fun. Yeah? Yeah. Avery, why don't you come into your room? Bye-bye. Peekaboo. Bye-bye, peekaboo. Come on, silly. No, come on, let's go into your room. Come on. Avery, let's go into your room. Thank you. Good job. Come on. Go into your room. Go into your room. Good. Good walking. Go into your room. Yep. Nope, not your room. Into the hallway, huh? Avery. Are you gonna come into your room? Let's go into your room. Do you hear the music? Go into your room. Are you gonna dance? Do 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 do. Yay! Oops. Come on in here. Dude. You gonna read some books? Look at your room. Oh my goodness, it's so nice.